Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring your work is safe. Back up the FL Studio projects and the user data folder to an external drive. Once done, open FL Studio, check Help About to note the exact version and registration email so updates match your license. Next, log into your ImageLine account and download the installer that corresponds to your OS and architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. This prevents plugin compatibility issues later. Run the downloaded installer as administrator and select Upgrade to keep your preferences, unless you need a clean install to fix corruption. Make sure to preserve the settings, plugin database, and wrapper mappings when prompted. That keeps your project recall reliable. After installation, open FL Studio and perform a full plugin rescan, verify VSD search paths, and confirm 64-bit bridge settings so legacy plugins load correctly. This step aligns old. Finish by loading a few representative projects to confirm instruments, automation, and audio drivers behave as expected. If any plugin fails to load, rescan or reinstall that VSD, and enable bridged mode for 32-bit plugins, this often resolves incompatibility. If audio glitches appear, switch audio driver or buffer size. Keep the installer and a copy of your previous settings so you can revert quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: if FL Studio won't start, run it in safe mode to isolate the problematic plugin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.